Hey there, planner friends. This is Kathleen Baber with Apricot Tree Planning, and I wanted to share with you a quick little kit preview. This is Flanders Fields. I had this kit last year, but I've done some reformatting to it. It has a little more of a patriotic flair, but it's perfect for a Memorial Day kit. Also great for Veterans Day as well. The poppy is the flower of remembrance, and so on those kind of sacred occasions when we are remembering those who have fallen in service of their country, it just is so awesome that there's this gorgeous flower that brings that to mind. My dad used to bring home a paper poppy on certain days, and I imagine it was Veterans Day that he did, but it might have been Memorial Day too. I just don't really remember. But anyhow, I think this kit turned out really, really lovely, and it's available in several formats, so just check it out at my shop. I hope you like it and that it feels summery and patriotic, and also has a feeling of reverence as well. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.